This video is about crocheting a 3D butterfly. Start with a magic ring. Three chain stitches. Two double crochets. Note: count the 3 chain stitches as your first double crochet. 2 chain stitches. Next, work 3 double crochets. Two chain stitches. 3 double crochets. Three double crochets form one group. Work a total of 8 groups. This is the result after completing 8 groups. 2 chain stitches. Pull the loop tight. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain stitch. Round 2. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Change yarn. 3 chain stitches. Count the 3 chain stitches as your first double crochet. 2 double crochets. Two chain stitches. 3 double crochets. First group completed. Start the second group. Hide these 2 yarn ends. 3 double crochets. Two chain stitches. 3 double crochets. Second group completed. Work a total of 8 groups. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain stitch. Cut the yarn. Round 3. 3 chain stitches. Count the 3 chain stitches as your first double crochet. 3 chain stitches. Pay attention to the insertion point. Yarn over and pull through. Pull through 1 loop on the hook. Six double crochets. One single crochet. First group completed. Work a total of 8 groups. Second group complete. 8th group completed. Slip stitch to the first stitch and chain. Hide the yarn ends. Start with a chain stitch. A total of 32 chain stitches. Did you get it? Don't forget to follow and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's enjoy crocheting together.